That is crazy. I can't believe this is in the UP. That thing is massive. Oh, we love waterfalls so much. We're gonna see every single one. We are on our way to the Houghton-Douglas Falls right now. I've heard these ones are pretty sweet, so I'm excited to see it. What do you think?
I want one.
Make sure you wear really good shoes because it is crazy slippery. I mean, it's just loose dirt. You just start to slide and you'll just go. I can't believe this is in the UP. Like, that thing is massive. That is such a big waterfall. That is crazy. Made it! For Michigan, I can't believe they have waterfalls that big. That's ginormous. But now, we gotta go back out. So, I'll see you in a couple sweaty minutes. Oh. I'll tell you what, having really nice boots is a must. We made it.
That was a hike.
That was not easy though. I'm winded. We just got done at the Houghton-Douglas Falls and we popped over to the Hungarian Falls. So we're walking up the trail to go check that out. There are 3 falls in this one. There's the upper, lower, middle, and then there's the pond. So hope you guys like that. Let's go check it out. What do you think of waterfalls?
I think they run water.
Whoa, smart Alec. No, these are cool. I love hiking. It's great being outside.
Pretty wet.
These are great hikes. Beautiful day out.
It is a beautiful day out.
I'm excited to see these waterfalls. Without further ado. Found them. We are up here in Copper Harbor, checking things out the furthest north in Michigan, and we are just pulling into Manganese Falls, another waterfall for us to see. Hope you guys like it. I gotta watch where I'm stepping. Okay. Nice. We made it down inside of Manganese Falls, and it's really cool. I mean, these areas don't even look like Michigan. It's just beautiful. There's so much erosion. It's so cool. UP is great. Eagle River Falls. Because we don't f around. We love waterfalls so much.
Damn near half.
Oh shit. That one's kind of cool. Alrighty, so that's gonna wrap up another successful trip to the UP. Got to see a bunch of waterfalls, go to some parks, Copper Harbor. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any suggestions for where we should go next, leave those in the comments. Signing off.